So hello scholars, we are back to Unit 3, Section 3. In this session, we are dealing with the procedures in abortion or abortion procedures. Let's look at our objectives. So by the end of this session, students should be able to mention 3 abortion procedures, demonstrate knowledge of understanding by explaining 3 abortion procedures. Now, in fact, let me say, there are many procedures that can be used to terminate the life of the unborn. The first one we want to talk about is suction. In this procedure, a powerful instrument is inserted into the uterus where it tears the developing baby and the placenta apart, allowing them to be sucked out into a jar. It's very painful. Somebody will ask, have you gone through that? I've seen some before. I went to one hospital and I was conducting a research. So I was asked to have a look at what goes on. So I had to put on my uniforms and have to observe the process. Besides, I've also seen some in videos. Now, there is the other one we call dilation and curettage. We call it D&C. In this procedure, the woman's cervix is dilated and a sharp instrument is used to strip the placenta off the wall of the uterus, in the process cutting the baby into pieces. What happens? Then the next one is hysterectomy. Hysterectomy is also a procedure which involves the complete removal of the uterus. This type of procedure is done if there is the urgency of any surgical reason or medical reason, such as diagnosis of cancer of the cervix and any other diseases that affect the uterus. So in this case, there's a complete removal of the uterus. What are we saying? We are saying that abortion can be performed via different procedures. These procedures have their own merit and demerit. Always advisable that medical procedure be performed for a woman who seeks abortion instead of using any unprofessional procedure. This may leave the woman with serious implications and negative repercussions. In fact, in some traditional homes, some people use grinded bottle with Guinness. They sip to cause abortion. Others use jentropha plant. Others use saturated solution of sugar and other unthinkable processes to commit abortion. All of these have effect on the person committing the process. So then it is always advisable that a medical procedure is performed for a person who seeks abortion. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to this section of the lecture. We will continue in the next session.